Today I'm up here in the mountains and I'm gonna make what I call PPP pizza. I've got my camping oven right here at the base of this tree, and it's preheating to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We're at about 350 right now. And I'm gonna show you how you can have fresh made pizza out here in the wilderness while you're camping. And it's a beautiful day. Check out that blue sky and the forest. So let's get started on the pizza. PPP pizza. To make these pizzas, I use these pizza crusts by Boboli. I think that's how you say that company name. This is their 8-inch crust. They call it a mini crust. They also make a regular size, which I think is, I want to say 10 or 12 inches. But anyway, I'm going to make one of these, a mini pizza, using one of these crusts. And I've got the crust right here. Now, why am I calling this PPP pizza? Well, because the toppings I've chosen are going to be green pepper, pepperoni, and pineapple. Those are the 3 P's: pepper, pepperoni, pineapple. And of course, I've got some pasta sauce here, or pizza sauce, and mozzarella cheese. So let's get started making the PPP pizza out here in the forest and mountains. What a view. With any pizza, the first thing you do is add your pizza sauce. So you just dump out a bunch onto your crust and then use the back side of a spoon to spread it around. It's almost like you're painting when you're doing this. I added a little more sauce there. I want to get it close to the edge, but not right up to the edge. And there. Then you start adding your toppings. Of course, the cheese always goes first because that's the base. Let's do that. So let's add the cheese. Again, you can use as much as you like. Some people like a lot of cheese, extra cheesy. Some people don't. And that's what's cool about making your own pizzas. And you can customize it to how you like it. I think that's enough. And then we add our toppings, the 3 P's. Let's start with the pepperoni first. I think I have about 8 slices here of pepperoni. So we'll just put these on here. I actually bought the wrong pepperoni. This is turkey pepperoni. It's not bad, but I'd rather have the regular pepperoni. Okay, there's the pepperoni. Let's add the green peppers. It's almost like doing arts and crafts in a way. Okay, and then let's add in the pineapple. Now, I know there's a big debate about whether having pineapple on a pizza is sane or not. It seems to have a bad rap in some circles, but I like it once in a while, not all the time. And it adds sweetness to the, which kind of counteracts the spiciness of the pepperoni and the sauce. So it's kind of a nice combination. I think that's enough. That's enough pineapple. So the directions on the Boboli package say to bake this for about 10 or 15 minutes at 450 degrees. My oven is just about at 425, so we'll put this in a few more minutes and see how it comes out. But doesn't it look good already? And what's nice is the colors are very appealing. Yellow, green, red, white. Looks nice. The pizza is baking. Check that out. Well, there's the pizza. How does that look? That looks pretty darn good if you ask me. Check that out. Golden brown cheese, that pepperoni curled while it cooked. The green pepper's got a little black on the edges. Let's check it out. Look at that crust, golden brown. Mmm. Yeah, that's better than Domino's. That's better than Pizza Hut. That's better than Papa John's. That's better than anything. So that's how you make PPP pizza out here in the forest when you're camping. Doesn't mean you can't have fresh baked pizza. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.